Hi, I'm Dr. Martin of the Martin Clinic. I want to tell you the story today about probably our flagship product, and that is Navitol. Now, Navitol is a Latin word for energy. Years ago, probably in the late 1980s, we were, at the clinic, we were finding, literally hundreds and hundreds of women were coming in, mostly women, that were coming in with low levels of energy and actually had been diagnosed by their physicians with chronic fatigue syndrome. And I'll tell you, it was frustrating in terms of the diagnosis wasn't that difficult, but the treatment was, because to be honest, I had never found anything in the natural realm, and there was certainly nothing in the drug realm that was helping these people. And through circumstances, I was introduced to pine bark extract, and didn't know much about it. I'd heard a little bit about it, but when I started using it on my patients, and in particular, I want to tell you a little bit that one of the things that did happen in our family was that my wife, Rosemary, who was, registered nurse, registered nutritional counselor, very hardworking, was my partner in life and partner in office, started to get these symptoms of chronic fatigue and became very, very ill. And the only thing that helped her was Navitol, pine bark extract. And so, therefore, ever since, I wrote a book about it, The Bark with the Bite, a tremendous study that I had done, clinical study, on its effectiveness for many things. One of them that we discovered was not only that it gave you energy, but one of the things that we discovered was that it crosses the blood-brain barrier. And, for people that had chronic fatigue or adrenal gland issues, one of their big problems, or fibromyalgia, is cognitive. They have short-term memory. They feel like they got fog on the brain. And we found that this was the only product that helped that really made a difference. And so over the years now, you're talking, let's go back now, we're talking 25, 30 years of experience with this product. We find that we call it almost like vitamin P in the office because it's so effective. And some of the things that we use it with, anybody with any kind of inflammatory conditions, for joint, brain function, heart. We have a Navitol Heart and Brain formulated by us that is tremendous for cholesterol, triglycerides. It helps to regulate blood sugar. It helps with tinnitus, which is ringing in the ears. It's got so many benefits, it's hard to explain. But what we found also is this, that generally people feel much better on this product within a very short period of time. And the other thing that we found is that it's water soluble. And people always ask, well, can I take this with other medications? Yes, because it's water soluble. It's not conjugated in the liver. If you can't take too much of it because your cells will take what it needs. So again, it's one that we dearly love in this clinic.